In this video, I will show you how to update Steam Client. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to go ahead and check the Steam Client to check for any Steam Client updates, quite easy to do. What you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. And once you've done that, if you come up to the top left hand corner and you're going to want to click onto Steam up here, and you'll notice on this menu that comes up, there is an option here to check for Steam Client updates. So what you can do is go ahead to give that a click. As you can see at the bottom, it's now going to start checking to see if there's any updates available. In my case, my Steam Client is already up to date, but if there is an update available, it's going to give you the option to download the update. So that is how to update the Steam Client. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.